It's your boy GGB coming at you live. Today we're here to do a comprehensive review on the Inboard. We have the Inboard right here. We're getting ready to do this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. I just got the board. Let's go ahead and open her up, see what it came with, and see what we're getting. Got my handy dandy tool right here. We're gonna go ahead and open her up. See exactly where she opens up from. So I'll just open one side here, which will probably be this side. Go ahead and just crack her open. Alright, we have the board right here, ready to be opened. Says, stop, do not return to shop, have any questions or need service, and it has an informational number right here as well as a website you can go to. And it also comes with a basically a second slip, which is an Inboard slip. I guess this is to return it, just in case you do have to return it. Go ahead and put that in here, right there. Alright. Now we have the board. Go ahead, let's come a little closer and go ahead and open up the board. Alright, let's go ahead and open her up. Alright, double zipper. When we open up the board, we have the Inboard right here, looking real clean. Look like we have some more packaging right here. Go ahead and try not to cut the board here. Alright, we have the box which come with all the accessories. Let's go ahead and open that up right now. Quick open up. It has the quick start guide, basically how you basically use the board, all the modes in the boards, and basically how to work the remote, as well as do the minor services like put in the batteries. Basic things to basically get you started. We put that to the side. We have a battery charger here. An instruction manual here, a skate tool, pretty decent. It has the Inboard logo on there. We have the remote control. We're gonna get into that right in a second. Let's just go ahead and get the rest of these tools out here. All right, I believe this should be the battery charger. Done a little research here, so yeah, see, it'll be a little difficult to open. All right, you have the battery charger. Put that to the side. And last but not least, the Inboard battery. Ooh, it's a pretty little thing. Let's go ahead and see how much charge it came with. It actually came dead. That's surprising. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in the charger. Give me one moment as I come back to you guys. Last but not least, we have the Inboard. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. Let's go ahead and get her out of the packaging. We have one strip right here that's basically keeping her tied down. So we go ahead and loosen that. I'll pull it up here, right here from the top. And first impressions, it's not too heavy. Feels extremely light. Let's go ahead and get these cardboard off of her. Looked like she was well protected during shipping. Got a little bit cardboard residue right here. Going to set this off to the side so you keep it on. Watch what you're doing. We got this last little piece of plastic on there. I'm gonna go ahead and just rip her off here. First impressions of the Inboard. She's beautiful. I do not have a name for her yet, but I do plan on giving her a name. From what I can tell here, everything seems solid. We have this little card right here. Probably has some safety instructions. Go ahead and get that off of there. All right, definitely take a look at that. It says Inboard electronic skateboard product warning. So it just tells you risks of death and injury, read all the instructions, loosen the brakes. What I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I do before I actually take this for a spin, I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure all the screws and bolts are tightened properly. You know, this seems like a very easy setup, but I'll just go make sure that these are all tightened in properly. Just make sure everything's in there tightly. We're set in there. All right, so after I do that, I'll go ahead and then get back to you guys. We're gonna leave it there. As for my first impressions of the Inboard, it seems like a very solid board. The grip tape, it seems like it has a lot of grip to it. I like the logo. The board came from shipping in Prendy, like brand new shape. The wheels look absolutely beautiful. The hub motors are not as I expected. They're a little bit bigger than I expected, but those are beautiful. I like the black and red contrast of this board. But as for looks and packaging, I would have to give Inboard a 9 out of 10. I'll definitely come back to you guys with the review of this board and how it rides. And I just want to thank you guys. For coming to watch this video. I'm gonna go ahead and drop another video of a riding review of this board. I just like to thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe. Last thing I forgot to mention, I didn't actually go into the remote. Let me guys actually get into the remote with you guys for 1 second. But I misplaced the remote. Give you like a quick little overview basically of the remote and how I feel about it. Go ahead and get a close-up of this remote. You have the Inboard logo right here, lighting. Let's see, did it come pre-charged? No, it also looks like the remote is dead, so I'll have to charge that as well. So like I said before, I definitely be dropping the review of how this board rides, is also with a review of basically how the remote basically feels and how it handles. We have a video link for the next video following this, but I'll go ahead and definitely make sure I drop that review for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the Inboard. Let me know of any questions that you guys have, and I will make sure that I answer any questions and give you my true point of view of what I think of the Inboard. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Please like and subscribe.